Welcome to pdfsupply.com. Today we're going to be testing a communications device. This is an IC697CMM742 Ethernet Interface. What we're going to do here is we're basically going to ping this. And what I've done so far is I've put it in a rack. I have an IC697CHS 755 slot rack. The other slots are empty. I'm using an IC697 CPX 782 processor and a IC697 PWR 711 power supply. So now I have this powered up and I have it configured. What I've done in Prophecy Machine Edition software is I've selected all of the physical information that you see here. So I have a IC697 CMM742 in slot number 2, and I've gone into the configuration by right-clicking on slot number 2, hitting configure, and then I've given it an IP address and a subnet mask. I've given it an IP address that's far above anything that I have here on our network so that it doesn't get confused with anything else that we have here, so that when I ping it, I know I'm only pinging this device. And I'm going to show you how to test that theory. So I have here a local Ethernet cable. I'm going to plug it into where it says 10 base T. Once I get the LAN online LED blinking, then I know we're ready to ping it. I'm going to go into my command prompt, ask it to ping, and then the address that you put in, hit enter. And I'm looking for a reply. Reply to that address. I should get 4 out of 4, and it tells me the time, the milliseconds that it takes for this reply to happen. And this is a working unit. So the other port I need to check is the AUI or AAUI port. That's this device. I plug the Ethernet cable into that. And then into the CMM. And same thing, I'm going to hit the up key to make it quicker. Ping, and then the address, and enter. Again, make sure that this is blinking before you hit enter. Otherwise, you're not going to get a response. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug this so that there's nothing going to the CMM. And I'm going to hit that same address again. I'm going to ping it one more time. The reason I do this is to make sure that I'm not accidentally pinging something else that someone else has programmed on the network. So I hit enter and I should get no responses. It should actually read request timed out 4 times in a row. That way you know that you've only tested this and this is the only working unit. So if you do plug this in and you don't get an OK light, or if you don't get any responses, even if you do have an OK light out of these 2 ports, then you definitely have a problem with the Ethernet interface. And this is something that we commonly repair here. We do offer exchange programs, new and remanufactured units, and we offer same-day shipping. I hope that you find that helpful. Thank you.